17. If you had a bankruptcy, check your credit for accuracy. The vast majority of credit reports are incorrect for people who had a bankruptcy. Typically, accounts that were included in the bankruptcy still report as open. This hurts your credit, so follow-up is necessary to get those removed, or report it as closed if you're not trying to have the bankruptcy deleted. 18. If you had a bankruptcy, reestablish credit but avoid debt. After a bankruptcy, make sure you have some open, good credit. If all your accounts were discharged, you may need to apply for a couple secured credit cards to reestablish credit. But please, resist the temptation to acquire new debt as an excuse for reestablishing your credit. This is not the time to take on an expensive auto loan that you don't need or cannot afford. To see a list of credit cards offered to people with damaged credit, go to www.creditcards.com/bad-credit.php. I'll put that in the description. 19. If you are a shopaholic, take the steps to break free. Many people are obsessive compulsive about shopping. They like to joke and call it retail therapy, but it is no laughing matter. Eventually, debt grabs you by the throat and chokes all the fun out of your life. You end up working for your bills rather than for yourself, and that's no way to enjoy an abundant life. The following are signs and symptoms of compulsive spending as recognized by the Illinois Institute for Addiction Recovery. 1. Shopping or spending money as a result of being disappointed, angry, or scared. 2. Shopping or spending habits causing emotional distress or chaos in your life. 3. Having arguments with others regarding spending or shopping habits. 4. Feeling lost without credit cards. 5. Buying items on credit that you would normally not buy with cash. 6. Spending money gives you a rush of euphoria and anxiety at the same time. 7. Spending or shopping feels like a reckless or forbidden act. 8. You feel guilty, ashamed, and embarrassed or confused after shopping. 10. Many of your purchases go unused. 11. Lying to others about what you bought or how much money you spent. 12. Thinking excessively about money. 13. Spending a lot of time juggling accounts and bills to accommodate spending. 'If some or all of these strike a chord, grab onto hope. Acknowledgement is the first step to recovery. Practice self-talk daily throughout the entire day if need be. When you are tempted to soothe your stress or reward yourself by making a purchase, say to yourself, I choose to be free from shopping addiction, and other positive statements that empower you to break free. Say no to using your credit card like cocaine. Invent other ways of fulfilling the void. Write out ideas and have a list handy. Here's some to get you started. Go for a walk or run. Call a friend. Play tennis or other sport. Listen to music. Knit or crochet. Garden. Read an engrossing book. write in a journal, or pray. If you have other good ideas, I'd love to hear them. Me through my website. I'll put that in the description. There are many inspirational books on breaking free of debt, such as those by Suze Orman, the respected financial advisor who was once a waitress deep in debt, as well as books by Mary Hunt, who pulled herself out of being $100,000 in debt. In addition, there is a good selection of self-help books available. Go to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, christianbook.com, or other favorite booksellers, and search compulsive spending. Another option is to explore the self-hypnosis CDs on overcoming compulsive spending, also available from online booksellers. If you like to talk with a respected advisor, your local hospital may have a free service. If not, 1-800-522-3784 is a helpline that is open day and night. Why not create a chart for getting out of debt? Track your progress and watch yourself get closer and closer to your goal. Get excited about changing your life. Others have done it, and you can do it too. The great apostle Peter wrote, "By what a man is overcome, to this he is enslaved." If you've been enslaved by a shopping habit, you can break free. Where to start on your credit journey? Hopefully by now you have a good idea of how to proceed with your credit journey. But if you feel like you want one more verification, here's my general plan that you will need to adapt for yourself as appropriate. I will list the highlights only because details, instructions are elsewhere in the book. 1. Order your credit report for Chapter 2. 2. Make sure you have 3 lines of good credit. If after you clear off all the bad credit, you have nothing left, you need to start building 3 lines of credit for 6 months